All right, how's it going, guys? I wanted to go over my trade today in New York session on gold, and it was just super simple execution. Really, really clean day on gold. We finally got that trending move that I've been looking for. So yeah, let's go over it. If I go back here, just to show you guys, 6:30 NYSE open, okay? So this was NYSE open, and I was actually thinking I would take a long off of the daily open here, but unfortunately we just didn't have any bullish 5-minute closures quite yet. So I was like, okay, I gotta wait for a bullish 5, and I really wanted to see this 15 kind of recover back up here and start closing bullish again. So I waited, but as you guys know, I love trading at NYSE open. The 30-minute candle, just overall volume is so good. But today, good thing was direction was super clear, right? We had just price trending, higher highs and higher lows. So I was pretty much looking for this next leg up towards my daily bias, which was previous daily highs. So that was pretty much my plan. Just need to see the lower time frame follow, right? So here we go. All right. So what happened was this 5-minute pretty much just like zoomed up and didn't really give me an option to get in lower here, unfortunately, because the 5-minute, I really wanted to see close bullish. And then this is how high it had closed. I kind of wanted to get in around this area here, but unfortunately didn't get the option to trade with the 5-minute. Right here is where I got in, and it was basically timed with the 5-minute here, and I used the 1-minute for my stops here, which was a little bit risky, but the volume was really, really good. And I really like this like retest off of kind of this structure here on the 1-minute. And then I just want to see that continuation towards my daily bias. Usually I'm waiting for the 5-minute to pull back and create that bottom wick. But in today's case, I was just going to risk it because I had a really, really nice target at the high. And overall, my conviction on this trade to play out was really, really high. So I took this pretty much at the flip here. Show you guys. Yeah, so price had created a tiny bottom wick on the 5-minute, but it was enough for me to get in. And then I just pretty much took it at the flip and this 1-minute close. Just like that. And price hit my daily bias right there. So really clean trade, pretty much a 1.36 R. I could have obviously targeted way higher. I had a daily target above here, but today is the last day of the month. And for those of you guys who have been in this group for a while, you know that I don't love to trade the last day of the month. It has to be like perfect conditions in order for me to get in. And it's also Friday. So I had to make sure the volume was there, the trending move was there, and yeah, it was overall really, really nice trade. I really like this target towards previous daily high, right? We had a really nice trending move up here. So let's run over what my setup was here. So for me here, this was a 1-minute close, and that's really small. Let's open it up at 12. 1-minute close there. This was a 5-minute A2 on the 5-minute right there. Unfortunately, it pushed so much higher than, I wanted to get in, but that volume right here was pretty much what got me in, so that's okay. We pretty much had the 15-minute pull back and retest off of the daily open, so I couldn't use the 15-minute in this case because it previously closed bearish here, but to me, this is like an inside candle. It didn't quite close below. If the 15 closed below here, below the daily open, and closed A2, then that would have been a different story. But you see how we still respected structure here. We didn't break any structure, and we didn't confirm anything higher either. So it's just like an inside bar. And this is something I've been watching lately because I see this play out a lot, where price kind of like retests here and then continues like that on the 15. A lot of my winning trades here are kind of consistent with this 15-minute setup. So something I'm watching. And yeah, overall direction on the higher time frame was super clean. Really no question there what price was going to do. Really like this bottom wick too on the higher time frame. We had also previously closed bullish. What was it? Let me double check. I sent it out. was 4-hour bullish A1, 1-hour bullish A2. So yeah, sent out my chart early on, right? Daily bias was previous daily high, and then sent out my trade there. So yeah, really clean day, guys. Hope you guys caught a piece of this move. Hope everyone has a great weekend. It's a long weekend in the US, I believe, and in Canada. And I will see you guys on Monday night in Asia session.